Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 BMW X7 xDrive40i. This one is blue. Underneath the hood is a 6-cylinder 3-liter twin turbo with 335 horsepower and 330 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 21-inch split Y-spoke wheels, gray leather interior with a light gray wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear USB ports, rear climate controls, third row climate controls, around back, trailer hitch, X7 xDrive40i badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, cargo cover, clean set of floor mats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, radio, USB ports, heated and cooled cup holders, our hard keys for a media display, different driving modes. This X7 has 4,806 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW X7, check out feldmannimports.com.